I'm Sue and we live in Darvel and we have an Aira heat pump.
I'm Roger. Surprise, surprise, I live in the same house. We'd been wanting to buy a heat pump for some considerable time. The existing boiler came towards the end of its life and we'd found a supplier in Aira that we were happy with. We chose Aira because of the promises it made. We've been very satisfied with it.
We've preferred to deal with just a single company, and I think that was quite a large factor in the choice of Aira.
We got an expert from Aira, came and visited us, did a home assessment and provided us with a quotation.
One of the benefits that Roger and Sue identified in choosing Aira as their installer was the fact that we manufacture the heat pump as well as install it, and we don't use subcontractors, along with the Aira all-inclusive plan, which ensures that we'll be here to hold their hand for the next 15 years with any questions or queries they might have.
We've always been interested in eco-technology. We had solar panels put on the roof of the house quite early on.
The Aira all-inclusive plan allows our customers to have full confidence that we'll be here to support them with any issues with their heat pump for a 15-year period. What happens is those customers pay for the heat pump up front, oftentimes getting government subsidy support to help them with that, and then Aira take over from there, ensuring that there's nothing for them to consider for the next 15 years.
The process to get the heat pump installed was straightforward.
We were told that the Aira technicians would arrive at the crack of dawn, I think about 8 o'clock in the morning, and sure enough they were there. The guys were really, really good. They were very nice, very helpful, very tidy. All the floors were covered. They tidied up after themselves each evening. It went very well. The thing we really like, apart from the ease of use of the app, is the fact that you very rarely have to use it at all. It stays within 20 and 21 no matter what the temperature is outside, so we really don't have to worry about it at all. We have family visiting on a regular basis, and sometimes there can be 7 people in the house, and we wondered how the heat pump would cope with 7 showers in the morning, and I have to say that it copes very, very well.
Over January, February 2025, we appear to have made approximately 50% saving over the same period in 2024. First winter with a heat pump was a joy. We now have a constant temperature and we're delighted. We're very satisfied with the end result. We would thoroughly recommend using Aira. We would recommend it to anybody.